This is a trade on EuroGBP. Time is currently 14:15 and we have news in exactly half an hour. The aim is, can we get out of this trade in literally 10 minutes, I'd say. We don't want to be here till news shows up. Now, the idea is probably just to leave right here, make this super quick. Just sent this through to the Discord as well. So the boys and girls are taking the same trade as I am, or at least using it as a conference anyway, if they found the same trade setup as well. But right now we're up by 20, and yeah, volume is looking somewhat decent. I could have entered this trade aggressive, literally entered from here, but I wasn't too sure because we're in December after all. The market has been moving a bit funky, so can't really tell what's going to happen. But right now we have all the confluences that we need. This should be a quick setup. One thing I do like about the broker Catlight is the entries are super tight, man. Like every single time without fail. The moment I enter, boom, perfect entry. And I love it. I actually love it. I want to enter when I say I want to enter, do you know what I mean? Not like you enter here, bro, and then your entry ends up being here, and now you're like down by like £400 already. Alright, I'm just gonna leave this, let it play through, go and do a few bits and bobs, then I'll be back. Okay, so looks like we're pretty much kind of halfway through the trade now, almost at TP, just a bit more movement left. It's currently 14:30, and yeah, so we literally have 45 minutes left before news happens. I think in 15 minutes we should be out of this. I don't see why this trade should go back down, besides coming down here, fill this gap, then continue up. But so far it's filling gaps as it goes, so that's good. So this trade shouldn't play around too long. There are gaps up top, literally up here, so can potentially hold this trade for longer, but I ain't bothered to do it. I'm just gonna get out exactly where I intend to, because I'm not sure what news is gonna end up doing today. It's coming down. I expect it to literally fill this gap from here to here. If it is going to, expect it to do that, then carry on to the upside. Alright, we have 10 minutes left. Unless we get some ridiculous kind of volume right now, you are going to be in this trade probably when news happens. So just as expected, so just as I said, they literally came back down, filled the gap, and now we got price going back up again. So this is like a slow and steady one. It's not just pumping up, they're filling gaps as they go, which is okay, which is alright as well. Don't mind. A bit more, just a bit more, just a tiny bit more. I do want to try and secure a bag on this trade if possible. Can we though? Let's say like another Alright, so we literally have 5 minutes before news. So what I'm gonna do now is cancel, remove the TPs, right, just in case anything crazy happens. Right? In case anything wild happens and it does shoot up or whatever, then I don't mind. But I'm ready to close at any point in time. Pause. Now, have you ever faced a situation when you have been banned from Amazon, eBay, TikTok, Instagram, whatsoever it might be, or you someone who does eBay dropshipping and you have been banned from eBay? Now I have a solution for you. Now this solution is a software known as Go Login. Now the idea to this is they allow you to manage different profiles from anywhere across the world, right? So imagine that eBay had banned you now, and now you can no longer dropship. Now what this is going to do for you is that you can create another eBay account from one other country across the world that is not linked to you, and every information is completely different. The IP is completely different, so that way they cannot track that account back to you, and you can do this from your own house, from your own laptop. Everything else is just external. So this is literally the solution, the only solution that I have been able to find to any bans like this. Now use the discount code in the description, use my link, and you will be able to get started today. If you can get out before The news that will still be good because again, I don't know what news is gonna do. So we've got 2 minutes left till news. 2 minutes, so just a tiny bit more we can secure that bag. Nice. I'm out. Beautiful. That's a beautiful trade. All right. We're just gonna see what news does in literally 2 minutes to see if we could have held longer or not. 10 seconds left till news happens. Just 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh boy. Okay, that rejection looks good. Boy, I would not want to be in this right now because the spreads could be ridiculous. It's not as bad, right? On EuroGBP, but looking at something like NAS, gold isn't affected much. To be fair, this isn't the worst kind of news I've seen. This actually wasn't that bad. Yeah, it wasn't the worst case scenario, but yeah, good thing I left anyway because I'm not trying to play around with this. So we got our break of structure and everything that we needed. We know prices sort of retracing to fill these gaps. There's a bunch of gaps up top, and we got our break of structure that we needed. So this was pretty much just bread and butter. And then I entered, and then we left literally right up here in about, this trade took almost about half an hour. So that was pretty much the setup. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.